This is the Network Engineer Diaries, the Net channel. I'm Jimmy Shaka. What is a network? A network consists of two or more computers that are linked in order to share resources, such as printers, to exchange files, or allow electronic communications. Computers on a network may be linked through cables, telephone lines, radio waves, satellites, or infrared light. This is an example of a computer network. As you can see, we have four computers, one printer, and the router. They're all connected through this switch. This is another example of a network. You've got hubs, you've got switches, you've got a router, and a bunch of computers. This is another example of a network, a little bit more complex. You've got Wi-Fi, you've got iPhones, you've got a computer, you've got the server, a modem that's connected to the internet, and then a firewall. These are the network components. You have your physical or hardware components, and then you have your software components. On the physical side, you have computers, you have routers, switches, hubs, cables, optic fibers, etc. You have printers, you have phones, you have tablets, you have TVs, fax, you name it. All the hardware devices that you might have on a network basically are going to fall under this category right here. And then you're going to have your software components, which are your networking operating system and your protocols. And the two main protocols are OSI model and the TCP/IP model. The network operating system is typically installed in a server, and this is going to facilitate workstations in a network to share files, database, applications, printers, etc. That's what a networking operating system does. On the other hand, protocols, these are your rules or guidelines that are followed by each computer for data communications. These are the two common types of networks that we have. You have your local area network, LAN, or your wide area network, WAN. What are the differences? Local area network is confined to a relatively small area. This is like your office network or school network or building network. It's more relatively on a small scale for a small area. On the other hand, the wide area network, WAN, this is for a larger geographic areas, such as like a whole state, like the state of Texas, or the United States, or the world. It is through WAN, WAN, wide area network, that an office like from Texas might be able to connect to another office, say in Tokyo. If somebody that's in an office that's in Texas has a microphone and a webcam that is set up, they can video conference somebody that's in Tokyo in just a matter of seconds. And this is through your wide area network. These are the few network characteristics that you're going to have. You have the topology of the network, the speed of the network, the cost of the network, the security side of it, the availability of your network, how scalable the network is, and how reliable your network is. From a big picture perspective, this is what a computer network looks like. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.